Cookie price prediction. In the last video, I gave you this short and it was just too good to be true. But you can go back to the video and see the results. We shorted here, we took profit, and now we're waiting for a new area. Will we tap into it? I don't know. But if we do, I'll have an alert, just like we will for many other currencies. And if we do tap into it, we're looking into extracting a lot of money from the markets. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. Explain the thesis behind the trade. Just hit the like button. I won't waste a second of your time. So we basically have a bunch of liquidations sitting at 11.9, 11.997, and a few others. But we want to zoom out to the weekly chart to have a better overview. And you can see that the first liquidations are at 11.97 actually, which is right above these highs. So these are weak highs that we might tap into. So this is another area that might be interesting for us, especially because it coincides with the 200 EMA on the 30-minute time frame. So one of these levels or both of these levels, I will be looking to take shorts in, sizing higher here, sizing here. And the only condition I would want is longs to be closed, just like we had these red bars right here. We want to see that on the layer 2 data, and that's basically all we want to see. Obviously, this video is not financial advice. We're up to 262 grand on VOOX. We're up a lot on futures. If you want to follow my trades, use the links in the description down below. I have a link to my course, which is currently priced at $117. If you want to learn how I find token cycles, what are my favorite patterns to trade, everything, I've priced it out very cheap, I think. So yeah, but even though if you can afford it, do not worry. I'll have another video tomorrow for Cookie. See you there and then.